Anytime you have a little trail with a little roll to it and you build your addition taller than that, you're always going to have this. And that is hard as hell to stop water from coming in when it has no place to go. I mean, it's tough. Alright, Billy. Getting ready for some numbers, Paul. I had an old leak and roll roofing job here and decided to put some metal on it. The problem with that is, what most people don't realize is it still gets wet on the bottom side and it will start rusting, especially putting it right up against them shingles like that. It will start rusting on the bottom, but water could easily blow up under here because it's such a low pitch. There's not even enough pitch for pine straw to blow off, so we're going to clean that thing up, get it dried out real good, and run our rubber right over the whole thing. Yeah, 95 1/4. Look. Yeah, you did. You see it, it's inside there. Be asking you all that. Yeah, don't take a second to pull it out. Get one run, Thomas. Yeah, there you go, like that, all the way up. That's a nice one. Every job calls for something just a little different. Now, if I was going to be putting this rubber down on a flat surface, I'd go with just one big piece. But when you have these turns and the rubber kind of has to make a turn, it's very hard to get it to lay out flat and smooth. So we cut it into pieces so that we can make it lay smooth and just do seams. And you'll see that here shortly. That's nice. Excuse me. Yeah, that's the glue.
Is this open or?
That's been open, sure. It's open.
Yeah, it's open already. It's already open.
Beautiful.
Dope. Stay back.
Do it. We don't want really to stop. We're close on that, okay?
Yeah.
Hold on for a minute. We ain't close. We ain't there.
roof part's finished this time, if you want to take a look. Up here. Sealed up the corners. See where they've been caulking the top of the members.
I guess they had that chute looking thing over here.
Yep.
Yep, shoot it off.
Yep. I might be able to reuse that thing.
Everyone.
Never know.